I've been searching for a Glock 21 for about 4 or 5 months. A couple weeks ago, while on Sportsman's Guide, I saw that they had available some law enforcement trade-in models. They had the Glock 17, the Glock 21, the Glock 22, the Glock 27, and the Glock 30S. So of course, I purchased the Glock 21. This is how it comes. It comes in the original Glock case. It comes with one magazine, standard 13 round capacity. You do notice wear around the feed lips and the follower. The base plate shows signs of wear as well. You can tell it's been taken down, probably cleaned, maintained. As long as it functions and feeds reliably, the wear doesn't really matter. You have the gun lock, the cleaning rod. Under the styrofoam pad here, you have the manual and the bull brush. The firearm itself is in really good shape. It is empty. There's no magazine in it. As you can tell, it's the Glock 21 Gen 4 Austria model 45 auto. It does have some holster wear. More than likely, that's a Safari Land holster. You will see a little bit of excess of oil where I've been cleaning and trying to buff out some of the holster wear. It's not a showpiece, but I still like to keep my guns nice, and some people don't mind scratches. I'm kind of the opposite. I don't like for them to get scratched, but I do carry them. I have added the extended slide stop, slide release. I also added a ghost trigger connector in it. Everything else is factory, but the frame is in really good shape. My favorite part of this firearm is the Glock night sights. They illuminate really well at night. I haven't shot this firearm at all, so these are gonna be the first shots out of it. We're gonna be shooting 180 grain PMC bronze, just some standard hollow point blinking rounds. Not necessarily self-defense, but I'm pretty sure they could be used for that. I have ordered one more magazine for it. They're about $25 a piece, so they're not too expensive. But this was at Sportsman's Guide for $380. I used the promo code Guns and Gear, and it gives you $20 off of a purchase over $100, and that does exclude ammo. That's kind of a saving $20 on all the weapons I buy from them, because to me that's my favorite website to buy guns from. Use that website all the time. Ammo, magazines, anything. But I'm gonna put a couple magazines through it now, and no doubt in my mind it's gonna function and perform great. All right, we're loaded up now. Take a few shots. Now, that was the first magazine I put through this gun. I did miss some. That was 100% on me. Just getting used to the point of aim, point of impact. The recoil was extremely soft, extremely manageable. A lot more manageable than the 10mm Glock 20 that I have. This is my first time ever shooting a Glock N45 ACP. The only other 45 handgun that I've had was the Rock Island 1911. And I don't even think I even shot that gun. That's how quick I got rid of it. But I'm gonna shoot one more magazine, See if we can hit something else. On that second magazine, my accuracy improved greatly. Just understanding point of aim, point of impact, in correlation to the distance of your targets. It's an extremely soft shooting gun. I'm extremely pleased I picked it up. Extremely pleased with the firearm itself. We'll definitely be bringing it out for future videos. We're about to make a video on the TX22 and my son's going to be shooting that one. So thanks for viewing, thanks for watching.